Most people will zoom like this, but sometimes you only want to zoom one part of the shot. In DaVinci Resolve, you can do that without zooming the whole frame, and here is the fastest and easiest way to do it. This is the effect we're making, only this part zooms in while the rest stays the same. So let's build it. With this, I already have my video on the timeline, and what we're going to do is we're going to look basically where you want to start your pop out. What we're going to do now is we're going to select video clip number 1. We're going to hold down the Alt key and we're going to drag it up to video track number 2. That will give us an exact copy of the current video. We're going to disable video track 1, and then we're going to go over to the color page. In the color page, we're going to select the window and then the circle. From there, we can move this to where you want it. You can adjust the softness, and once you have it centered to how you like it, you're going to go over and you're going to add an alpha output channel. Going to connect the two, and that will mask out everything except the pop out. Now when you go back into the edit page, you're going to enable your video track number 1. We're going to make a keyframe right there. We're going to move over a couple of frames, and we're going to now pop it out by zooming this out. You can either zoom it here or you can do it by the transform. You can move it how you want it. So once you have that zoomed in, you're going to move over to a few more frames. And then we're going to create another keyframe here and move over another couple of frames. And then we're going to zoom back out. That automatically creates another keyframe. So when you do play this back, you will see that he's crawling up, pops out, and then he goes right back. And as we said, that you can leave it like this and make it defined as a pop out, or you can go over to the color tab and increase the softness a little bit and kind of make it blend in. You see now that it blends in, but it still pops out. So that is what a lot of people do as a mistake, is they want something to kind of blend in, but yet they have it totally popping out. So don't make that mistake. If you want it to be a blend, to include it as a blend, or if you want it to actually just pop out all the way and show that there is a window popping, just leave it as such. And remember, you can use any video clip that you want for this. Like we have this skater here, and we're going to focus in on her skates, and that is how you do it for the skating part, or anything that you want. You see that the video is offset from the pop out, which gives it a little bit more definition for looking at what's going on. So try this and see how it turns out. You will see that it is very good as far as getting something to be a little bit different than other people have. So give us a try, and hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and have a good day.